Hello students, today we successfully complete our basic class. So now we are step forward to learn about the intermediate level in JavaScript. So first of all, once again recall what we have studied in our basic level JavaScript class. So first chapter is let, where and const. Second one is operators. So I said in our basic class we have the various types of operators. So that is our basic class. So we learn only 4 concepts in it, that is arithmetic, assignment, comparison and logical. So the remaining operators concepts are seen in our intermediate class. So then the third chapter is if else condition, and then the fourth one is while and do while loop. So this also I said that it has some of the loop concept accepted, so that are also covered in our intermediate class. So fifth one is objects and the sixth one is arrays, and finally we studied about the function concept. So here in the intermediate session we are going to learn about the following topics. In chapter 1 we learn the bitwise and ternary operators. These are the remaining operators. We studied it in our intermediate session. So then loop concept. So in the basic class we covered while and do while loop. In the intermediate course we are covered this for loop concept that contains for in, for of and for each. Then chapter 3 as maths object and 4 as array sorting, array map and finding. In the basic class we just learn about what is array and how it should be implemented. In the intermediate course we learn in depth about the array concept. So finally the fifth one is switch statement and error handling. So now today we are going to discuss about the classes bitwise and ternary operators. Let me start with the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. First of all, what is bitwise operators? Bitwise operator is nothing but it is a one type of operators. It used to perform the operation that the individual bits of binary numbers. The word binary numbers it very familiar to the students or college students, school students, some of us. So in this bitwise operator, the binary numbers will be performed in it, and in this bitwise operators it includes and, or, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift. There are various types of operators are included in that. So here I provide an example program by using a bitwise operator. So I hope that was helpful you to understand the concept of bitwise operator. So here I open my script.js file. So now first of all I tell about what is the syntax of the bitwise operator. So the syntax is to write the bitwise operator you use the backtick function. Backtick is nothing but it is placed under your escape button. So I just click that, result is equal to operand 1, and then you include any of the operators and, or x or something else. I use a AND operator, operand 2. So this is the basic syntax to write a bitwise operator. So this AND is an AND operator. So this is an OR operator, and this is an XOR operator, and this is the left shift operator, and this is the right shift operator. So using these operators I provide an example by using this was. Now I create that variable let number 1 is equal to 5, then let number 2 is equal to 3, let result. So here I open a AND operator. So result AND is equal to number 1. So what is the AND operator symbol? And number 2. So here I console log it. Result AND. So now I save. So here you can see the value is 1 because you enter the value 5 and 3 as number 1 and number 2. This 5 and 3 are stored as a binary number. So here I explain that the value of binary number is binary number 5 is 0 1 0 1 and the value of number 3 in binary operation is 0 0 1 1. So here I perform a add operator. The result is one. So the result is 0 0 0 1. So it's a decimal value for number 1. So for this reason the answer will be shown as 1. So here I change my operator as AND into OR operator. Now I save and run this. So here you can see the value as 7 because we changed the AND operator into OR operator. So it returns the value as 7 as a binary value. So now I use the left shift concept in it. So now I save and run it. The answer will be 40. That means the left shift is nothing but for example in the left shift I said that 5 value binary number is 0 1 0 1. So by using the left shift concept it will change into 1 0. It will change it to 1 0 1 0. So for this reason the value should be as 40. So this is the bitwise operator, how it should be performed. So this is same to the right shift operator also. So it means right shift, the number should be shuffled at the right side. So I hope you understand about the bitwise operator. So now we are for the ternary operator. So ternary operator, it is nothing but it is the way to write a if-else condition. That is like it is very similar to the if-else condition. So that means okay, I will show the syntax for this ternary operators. That will be very useful to understand the concept of ternary operator. So here I open my script.js file. Now I write a syntax for ternary operator. So that is first of all the condition. So expression underscore if underscore true colon expression underscore if underscore false. So this is the basic syntax to write a ternary operator. So in this if true, if false, this condition is similar to the if else condition. So let me explain the syntax. So first of all, condition. So this is that evaluate either the condition is true or false. So next of all, expression if true. So this expression is true is if the condition is true, this expression and its value is be returned. So that is same as if the expression is false, the expression is false, result is returned. So here okay, now I start a now I write a simple program by using a ternary operator. So that I name that variable as let age is equal to 15. Let message is equal to if the age is greater than or equal to 18. So this is the syntax. So first of all, what is the condition? Condition is age is greater than or equal to 18. Then expression. What is the expression? If else true. If the age is greater than 18, you are an adult. This text will be returned. So otherwise, if the condition is false, you are a minor. So this will be displayed. So now I console log you are a minor. So here I input the value age at 15, so that is below the 18, so that you are a minor is printed. So here I change the value 15 into 25, and now I run this. You are an adult message will be displayed. So this is very simple and it is also very similar to the if else condition. So that's all, students. In the next class we are going to discuss about the loop concept, that is for loop concept. So thank you, students.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!